How to cheat on AWS certification in 2026. AWS certification cheating. Hello everyone, and in this video, we are going to explain, is it possible to cheat on AWS certification? And if yes, then how to cheat on AWS certification in 2026? And is it safe to cheat with AWS certification? Students always search for the best ways to cheat with AWS certification. And in this video, we are going to cover both technical ways to bypass Pearson Vue and some conventional ways to cheat on AWS certifications in 2026. We are not just going to talk about it, we are going to show you a step-by-step video proof of the AWS certification live exam in 2026. If you are looking for help in cheating AWS exams, you can directly contact examrabbithelp@gmail.com or find the link in the description to fill out the student help request form. Before going into the details of cheating on AWS certifications, let me elaborate on what AWS certification is and which certifications AWS offers. AWS certifications are formal recognitions provided by Amazon Web Services to validate an individual's expertise in specific cloud roles and technical areas to establish and validate the holder's proficiency in AWS cloud technologies. AWS offers AWS Certified Cloud Practitioners, Certified Developers, Certified Solution Architects, Certified Data Engineers, Advanced Networking, Data Analytics, and many more. Let's come to the next question, which is how AWS certification exams work. AWS certification exams are proctored by a famous proctoring software named Pearson Vue. Student has to schedule exam with Pearson Vue, and at the time of exam, student downloads and install Pearson Vue and start check-in process. Proctor confirms the identity of student, and then student is asked to show environment, and complete environment check is done carefully. After check-in, exam starts and student is monitored closely. Pearson Vue creates a controlled environment in which student can only access exam content. Let's discuss how to cheat on AWS certification in 2026. Technical method to cheat with AWS certification. Technical method, as its name refers, involve technical expertise to bypass Onvue. In this method, custom remote connection servers are installed in student's laptop to bypass Pearson Vue, and these custom servers remain totally undetectable by Pearson Vue. This method is the most advanced method till 2026. If you need help with any kind of AWS certification, just fill out our student help request form to get instant help. Conventional ways to cheat with AWS certification. There are many conventional ways to cheat in an exam, like making tiny notes, using your mobile phone, or using a virtual machine. But advanced security measures of Pearson Vue make it very risky to cheat using these conventional ways, as eyes movement away from the screen can flag the exam. So, we will not recommend these methods. Conclusion. Which method is best to cheat on AWS certification in 2026? As we discussed, there are various ways to cheat on AWS certification, but best method is considered one which is safe and secure, and that is technical expert method. The plus point of this method is technical expert manages from doing setup to take exams, and student don't have to worry about anything. Technical method is 100% safe. And best thing about this service is you don't have to make any upfront payment. So if you have any exam coming up and you want any technical expertise, just fill out our student help request form to get instant help. Thanks for watching this video.